up, guys? You are not the wrong channel. Really. I'm gonna do my favorite makeup with my favorite color, blue. I love blue. I really love blue. Pra quem não tá entendendo nada, eu fui desafiada a fazer um tutorial de maquiagem em inglês. E eu estava com medo, mas eu não sei, vou explicar bem grande assim. Eu não sei falar inglês, eu realmente não sei. Eu aprendo as coisas tudo sozinha. Eu tô até aqui com um dicionário e eu tô também com o celular caso eu esqueça alguma frase. Então, vamos lá, vamos se jogar na doideira. E outra coisa, eu também não sei fazer maquiagem, então provavelmente vocês vão ficar, ué. Mas eu não sei fazer maquiagem, realmente. Let's get started with the eyes. I don't know. Hello, hello. I will start with the dark blue, and the concave. Now, I have to start with the concealer, and my concealer is my foundation. I have a new foundation. I will apply in my eyes. Eu tô preocupada porque eu vou ter que traduzir essa merda toda. Okay, I will apply the concealer, then my foundation, in my eyes to fix this. I forgot the name, but eyeshadow. I started studying English by myself because I don't have money to study in the school English class. I don't know. I learned everything that I know in music and videos and movies. I always watched videos in YouTube in English. O trabalho que vai dar pra traduzir isso tudo em legenda que é só Jesus na causa. That is the base of the makeup. You have to smoke your eyes. I have another personality speaking English. I don't know why. The name of this personality is Joanna. I don't know the accent in English, but Joanna. I'm gonna put this under my eyes. This is tape, fita. No caso aqui, esparadrapo. I understand so much things in English written, but when the people will talk to me, I got so nervous. I'm feeling like a Vogue channel that I'm superstar and I teaching my makeup. Now I'm gonna apply this color. I'm gonna apply this color just here. Here we gonna put the light blue. I'm gonna pick the foundation. I will apply with the glitter. I don't know where's the glitter. Where's the glitter? Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I will do the eyeliner with the shade shadow. This side is so bad. This is so good. I like it, but this side is so weird. Now I will do my eyebrows. And you did it right from the start. I will apply the mascara. I don't know to do makeup and I don't know to speak English, so this video is so random. I really don't know that I'm doing. And the cold, my hair gets so weird. And my makeup, I think, is done. I have to put the blush. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit blue shade under my eyes. I will apply the highlighter. I think it's done. No, I have to put the lipstick. I'm gonna apply this lipstick. So my makeup is done. I hope that you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment below, and goodbye.